Otur. We are starting our vlog from Istanbul. First time a city vlog. And we are in a Yenikapı area that is good for van lifers because there is a huge parking. It's like camping. You saw in the previous video. But now we are for breakfast on the street. Traditional, typical Istanbul style in a very untouristic area, but looks cool. So have a good morning and let's see what we have for breakfast because we said we want your special breakfast. So hoş geldiniz Türkiye. Teşekkür. Oh. Mark, are you hungry? Okay, look at this food. What do we got? We got super nice green and red salad, cheese, eggs.
Honey?
Yeah, butter. Cannot get better than this. Thank you very much. Teşekkür ederim. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye Mark. Cheers. Now we are at the barber shop. I need to have my hair cut, my beard trimmed to look nice, Turkish style.
Ortalama tamamen insanın verdiği zararı kaplamaya yetmiyor. Buna rağmen hayatta kalmak için
All oriental, ready for exploring the city. That was all-time craziness what is happening, and they said in the afternoon, July, it's even crazier. So what we saw now is just half of what is happening there. Lots of tourists, lots of shops. I think they're made for tourists mostly, but still quite an experience and really interesting place to visit. He's cleaning his nose and hiding. We saw as much as we can because with a toddler it's not that easy to explore cities because they have different needs and interests. Yeah. Play. And but he walked a lot, so he was good. The ish with big ish. Now we are in the center of the old town having some lunch. It's like fish restaurants and meat. So yeah, this part is a bit pricier than where we ate in the morning, but this is more like fine dining. So we are waiting to see what we're gonna get. Oh. This is spicy tomato sauce with something and rice, I guess. It's supposed to be spicy. That's how it says.
I think it's barley. I think it's not rice. It's yeah, it's not rice. It's the other thing that is more chewy. It's
I don't
so
know.
soft.
And this
Bulgur, actually. Might be bulgur.
bulgur, yeah. And this one is eggplant salad. This is the fish, lavraki on Turkish style, And this is the shish kebab. And that's French fries.
French fries.
Bon appetit! Istanbul. It was enough one day sightseeing with a toddler, and now we are going deeper into the country, driving towards east. We will park in a close area to Istanbul and to Konya, because today is Sunday and tomorrow we need to go to Sarakoy, I think it's called the town, to do some camp shopping from a store. We need some blue cam, we need things for the windows and whatever else we see that we might need. And after that, our real adventure starts, our planned adventure, because so far Istanbul wasn't planned and this camping shop wasn't also planned, so we just saw it online. So yeah, with toddler it's quite different sightseeing, and it's not that easy. You cannot go inside and wait in queues, but it's still good. I mean, he walked 4 kilometers, which is way more than other kids will do, and we are quite satisfied with his ability to accompany us in sightseeing. We stopped at apparently a free camping ground, just like 30-50 kilometers from Istanbul. They just sent us to report ourselves to a place like a reception. I mean, we'll see.
Bir misafirim var. Almanya'dan gelen bir misafirim var. Kontenjanı çektim, hemen aldırırsın içeri, bir zahmet.
Tamam.
Teşekkür ederim.
Bir şey diye toplam.
Passport.
Passport. Stamp please.
Today everybody go.
How many person? One person?
No, me, my wife and kid.
Everybody passport.
Everybody passport. Okay,
Yeah,
sorry.
okay.
Sorry, I didn't understand. Okay, I need to get everybody's passport, apparently. I need your passports too. Here you go. But our place is booked, so we need to wait. Let's see if I'm misunderstanding something. This is caravan, maybe that's for caravans only, but this, where the campers are, it says caravan also. So it was by mistake they gave me that card. We need to get a new one, because there are lots of places and it looks flat.
Number one. Okay.
Number one. Okay, good. He gave me number one, and I asked him, can I go a little bit further down the parking, because here is very crowded, everybody's moving and reparking, and that's the gate. So I said, okay, no problem. So let's see if this one is free. Number 17. Next to the tents. I guess I got the party area, but they look like they are packing, so let's hope for the best. So here's the people. So many people leaving, by being that I don't understand. I said, yeah, everybody's leaving, weekend off, and many of them are from Bursa. But and I asked him, are there many like these free camping spots around Turkey? He said not many, but Park for Night says otherwise. And I will check around if there are many, because they are really nicely maintained and secure and safe and free. You just entered the park, Dogay, something like that, and it's free. You don't need to pay here. We thought that you need to pay, but actually it's free. And there is lots of people. It's Sunday and it's super crowded. I guess it's a nice place. So it's all service. We are hungry, that's why the first stop was the restaurants. And self-service means lots of food. Finally, chorba for Mark.
It's very tasty.
Is it?
Yeah. It's with red lentils.
Ooh, that's your style.
Yeah.
Going towards the Oriental. We have spicy sauces, spicy peppers, and spicy like tzatziki, I guess. I don't know. We need to open it. And plus waiting for the specialty Iskender köfte in bayak köfte. Oh. Afiyet olsun.
Wow.
Everybody. This is called Iskender kebab. This is called Iskender kebab, and this one is called Beyendeli. Beyendeli. This was a nice stroll for free. You can have many things to see, and it's quite interesting, but it's quite full. Guys, let's close the video here and see you in the next one when our real journey starts.